Homdock, an experienced manufacturer to provide ready assembly classical furniture together with competitive prices, excellent service, and punctual delivery. All Homdock platform are constructed with super extra strong steel combined with seamless welding and reinforced screws for competent stability and comfort. Tired of a noisy bed? Why not choosing this Homdock solid bed frame? This easy installation, strong and understated 16 inches high bed frame will make you enjoy better sleep with minimum squeaks and make the sleepless nights an issue of the past. Check the link in the description below to get the most updated price in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale. What makes this product a smarter choice? Number 1. Anti-slip and noise-free frame. Embedded design frame encloses the mattress to prevent slipping. Silent cushioning gasket for noise-free using and no squeaking to give you a peaceful sleep every night. Number 2. Extra sturdy bed frames. Strong durable steel frame combined with seamlessly welded makes the whole bed frame firm, stable, supported heavier weight, hold up to 35 pounds. Number 3. Easy to install. Innovative integrated design platform bed base make installation a piece of cake. Easily set up in 20 minutes with provided tools. Reserve holes on bed legs for attaching headboard freely. Number 4. No box spring needed. A total of 16 inches from top to floor high eliminates the need for a box spring, perfectly fits any type of mattress, like heavy memory foam mattress, traditional mattress, and more. Number 5. Integrated structure for ready to assemble. Unique integrated design of bedside rails and middle center bar. Effortless to set up the bed frame within 20 minutes or less. Also much easier to rearrange, disassembly or move in future. Seamless welding combined with elegant matte black finished. Built to last long, to give you the comfort and consistency you need. Number 6. Headboard, footboard attachable. Bed legs pre-drilled with holes for you to attach a headboard or footboard freely. Every bed's legs are protected with a plastic cover to protect your flourish floor. Bed slats are 1.2 inches lower than the bedside subsidence designed to keep the mattress in place without mattress slipping. Number 7. Ample underneath storage, totally of 16 inches from top to floor high eliminates the need for a box spring, perfectly fits any type of mattress, like heavy memory foam mattress, traditional mattress, and more. 16 inches high from top to floor provide 13.5 inches under bed storage space, and so much more. Thanks for watching. I leave my affiliate links down in the video description below. Click on those links and they'll give you most updated prices in real time. You never know when these things might go on sale.